Hello. Mm.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome and welcome back to your channel, Ruby Kid Foods. I hope you are fine from wherever you are. I am good and so much grateful for you choosing Ruby Kid Foods, a channel of amazing recipe, easy recipe, breakfast tips, ideas, travel and event. If you are new in this channel, please thank you for choosing this Ruby Kid Foods. View my videos, give them a like if you love them. Please comment so that I may know how to improve my channel. Share the videos with your friend in other social network. Another thing, turn on that bell button so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see my video. And apart from that, rate my video. So guys, I'm back with this recipe, tilapia, fresh tilapia stewed recipe. I'm going to serve it with some ugali and some kale, skuma wiki. But what the main thing that I want to share with you, how to make proper, tasty, fresh fish from Lake Victoria, tilapia stew. So kindly watch this video till the end. For those who do not know how to prepare samaki or fish, here we are. I'm going to make. It is very fresh, guys. Just fresh. I've already removed the scales and every part of it. I've cleaned. You can see how clean it is. So this is one I'm going to make. I'm not going to cut it. I'll just prepare it the way it is. So I have these ingredients here. I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I have 1 onion. I have lemon. I have 4 cloves. I have royco cubes of coriander and every spice that I'm going to use apart from royco cubes and paprika. So let's get to the cooking with my onion. Cook till they brown. My 3 cloves of ginger. Tomato paste. if you don't know how to make fish, do it this way. The way I'm doing it, you'll really see the difference from other fish. So we're waiting for our soup or stew to cook, then we put it there. My stew is done, and I'm going to place my fish inside and make sure that every part of it gets the stew. So once it starts boiling, all part of it will cook. So I let it boil for about 30 minutes. So stay tuned. When my fish is still cooking or boiling, I'll go ahead and make my coriander. So coriander will be put the last minute when my fish has cooked. So for coriander, I have my chili here. So I'm going to cut here in two. Just like that. We are going to put them together. So guys, 5 minutes to time. So this is the time. Fresh. So appetizing. Ah. Look at my tilapia. Ooh. This is fresh, guys, from the lake. I just went to the lake this morning and then just got the fresh one. I'd already missed fresh fish. So, guys, this is so nice. Let me just taste it. Wow. Wow. Guys, try out this. If you are a lover of fish, try out this. So tasty. And look at the stew. Very, very thick. With some chili pepper. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. I'm going to serve it with some ugali and kales. So let's meet on another video. Bye-bye.